Welcome to all. In this mathematics video, we study how to find a point of intersection and tangent at that point of intersection to draw the Cartesian curve or to trace the Cartesian curve with the help of example. We understand this with the help of example. Trace the curve y square 2a minus x is equal to x cube. This question asked in first year engineering December 19 in SPPU University. So let's go step by step. To find a point of intersection with the x-axis, we put y equal to 0. When we substitute y equal to 0 here, we get this term 0, that is x cube is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0. So the point is 0, 0, that is origin. So need to find a point of intersection with the y-axis. We put x is equal to 0. When we substitute x is equal to 0, we get y equal to 0. Now when we get y equal to 0, so means we get point of intersection, that is only the origin. In the previous video and the previous step, we understand how to find a point. Origin is on the curve and tangent at that particular point. So for this particular step, there is no other point of intersection, only the origin is a point. So we can't find any tangent at this particular step. Let's take one more example. Trace the curve y square in bracket a square minus x square is equal to a cube x. This question asked in a first year engineering May 19 in SPPU University, Pune University. So let's go step by step. To find the point of intersection with the x-axis, we put y equal to 0. When we substitute y equal to 0, this term will become 0, and we get a cube x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0. So 0, 0 is a point of intersection with the x-axis. Now with the y-axis, we put x is equal to 0, we get y equal to 0. Again we get only the origin is a point of intersection. In the previous video, in the steps, we find how to find a tangent at origin. So for this particular step, no need to find, as there is only the point of intersection is origin to find. No need to find a tangent. Let's take one more example. Trace the curve y square in bracket x square minus 1 is equal to x. This question asked in a first year engineering May 17 in SPPU University. So point of intersection with the x-axis, we put y equal to 0, we get x is equal to 0. So point is 0, 0. With the y-axis, we put x is equal to 0, we get y equal to 0. So we get only the 0, 0 as an origin value. Means, so to find a tangent at a point of intersection, we have only the origin as a point of intersection. In the previous step, we study how to find a tangent at origin. So for this particular step, there is no other point of intersection, only origin is a point of intersection. So no need to find a tangent in this step. Hope you understand this type. Thank you. Visit again. Subscribe the channel to get the new updates. Do your best.